Karatbars International is an e-commerce company. Our mission is to show employees how to bulletproof their family's financial future with a gold savings plan. Karatbars International is located in Stuttgart, Germany. Karatbars makes gold exchange available for everyone, privately owned company, regulated by strict German laws, and recommended by the BDS, which is the Federation of Savers in Europe. Karatbars is debt-free and fully funded, currently doing business in 121 countries, and own their own gold mine in Turkey. Karatbars International specializes in the distribution of currency-grade gold, which is produced only by the London Bullion Market Association approved refineries, gold bullion in smaller, more affordable weights. You can take physical possession of your gold acquisitions at any time, and deliveries are packaged under video surveillance and shipped via Federal Express courier daily. Karatbars International has licensing agreement with the Vatican, licensing agreement with the U.S. Imaging Department, LBM approved refineries and mints, and global payment systems with MasterCard International. Karatbars Gold is private issue bullion, 999.9% pure, currency-grade gold. 1 gram Karatbar gold weighs in at 1.01 grams. All Karatbars gold is produced by LBMA refinery and mint exclusively to Karatbars. Gold with the LBMA stamp is recognized by governments and banks as good delivery gold and able to be used in the settlement of debts. Our focus is on showing you how to trade in some of your paper money for gold and why you should start taking possession of gold as quickly as possible. Our paper money, fiat currency, is not real money because in 1971 President Nixon took America off the gold standard. The cost of our necessities increases daily, from the fuel cost, to our groceries that we purchase, to our utilities. Many retirees have to postpone retirement, and those in retirement are forced back into the labor force. In fact, 95% of the people age 65 and over cannot afford to retire and have to continue working. Gold is a gem for building and protecting wealth. So why isn't gold reflecting the current highs of the stock market? It's because precious metals are being manipulated by the Federal Reserve, the international bankers, J.P. Morgan, and others, which gives us the opportunity to purchase gold at suppressed prices. Consider events that spell disaster for the U.S. dollar. It now costs the U.S. government more to make payments on its debt than the revenue it brings in through taxes and has to borrow money every month just to service the debt. In fact, it's projected that the national debt will reach over $24 trillion in 2015. BRICS, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa new trade agreement which set up a new international banking system to no longer trade between each other using the U.S. dollar. Russia and China have virtually abandoned the U.S. dollar, preferring to trade in local currencies. For example, Russia recently signed a $400 billion agreement to supply China with natural gas. This contract will be paid in Chinese currency, not the U.S. dollar, a 1,700-mile pipeline. Germany, the world's fourth largest GDP, is now connected to China via one of the world's longest railways. The move, called the New Silk Road, connects trade between Europe and China, and guess what? They're no longer using the U.S. dollar. How much gold would you want to own if the United States dollar were no longer the world currency, and if the dollar has little or no value? Gold versus the dollar in buying power. 40 years ago, 1 gram of gold would buy you 5 loaves of bread. $1 bill would buy you 4 loaves of bread. Today, that same gram of gold will buy you 24 loaves of bread, while a single dollar will only buy you a few slices of bread. Since the United States government abandoned the gold standard in 1971, gold has consistently outperformed stock markets, real estate, and currencies. Why own gold? There's security in gold. If you'd saved, either in paper money or in gold, $300 a month from 1992 to 2012, you would have saved $72,000. Today's purchasing power in paper currency is only worth $56,000. That's a $16,000 loss because you're saving in declining fiat currency. But if it would have been in gold, it would be worth $236,000. That's $164,000 profit because you're saving in a tangible asset, gold. That's $180,000 difference. The savings strategy is to trade fiat currency, paper money, for real money, gold. The value of the dollar has plummeted by 39% just since 2002, and gold has risen over 400% in the last decade. Experts say that gold offers security and is inflation-proof. Introducing the Gold Savings Plan, real gold bullion in the form of Cara bars, free to join with a personal free website to acquire gold. Converting a paper fiat currency to currency-grade gold using Cara bars. Cara bars comes in 1 gram, 2.5 grams, or 5 grams. And Cara bars guarantees the highest buyback price of any company in the marketplaces. Prices are approximate due to the exchange rate between the euro and the dollar and the price of gold. Cara bars International Gold Savings Plan. If you set aside $62 a week, that would earn you 1 gram of gold or 52 grams at the end of the first year. $56 a week would buy you 1 5 gram each month or 60 grams at the end of 1 year. $32 per week would give you 2.5 grams or 30 grams at the end of 1 year. $14 a week would give you 1 gram per month or 12 grams at the end of 1 year. The cost per gram ranges between $47 and $62 per gram. All dollar amounts above are approximate due to the exchange rate between the euro and the dollar and the price of gold. Reasons to own gold. Gold offers protection against inflation and currency reform. Gold Cara bars is a global currency. Gold is a stable savings. Gold is a limited resource and cannot be reproduced. Demand for gold is higher than global supply. The purchase and sale of gold is exempt from capital gains and VAT tax. Gold savings is financial security for every family. Become the keeper of your own future. Become a Cara bars International customer with a free account and personal website to acquire gold. Purchase 1, 2.5, or 5 grams or more of gold each month. Your Cara bars savings is portable to any country in the world. Cara bars can be willed to an individual or individuals of your choice. So secure your family's financial future today with the Gold Savings Plan. If you have questions, please get back to the individual that sent you this short video.